Hey y'all, welcome back to the Perfect T Academy. I am your favorite coach, Coach T. So y'all, in this video, tomorrow is my birthday, June 23rd. So I'm going to be showing you all how to design a birthday shirt. And as a way of me showing appreciation to you all for supporting me, I am giving everything to you all in this one video. Showing you how I design from start to finish, showing you how I make shirts. Also in this video, I'm pretty much going to be answering some of you all's questions about like why certain stuff is important. I'm giving it to you all in this video. If you have any questions about something that I'm doing, just make the time to just like or just stop the video and then rewind it, slow it down if you have to, because all of the information is here. Now the only thing that I am not showing you all is how to do slicing. I do offer all over printout, so if you all are just now starting out with making t-shirts and you are wanting to know, like you don't know if you want to actually start the business just yet, you don't know or you don't have the actual printers or anything to actually make the t-shirts, well, I am your girl. I'm here. I do printouts for other people, and then also if you just want to print out the same design that I already have, hit me up and I got you. But yeah, again y'all, this is just for me to show my appreciation to y'all. I don't plan on doing absolutely anything for my birthday, not this year. I just want to, I'm going to work but I don't plan on having no party, not going out to eat, none of that. Not this year. Next year is definitely going to be big. It's going to be big. This year I just wanted to focus on my businesses and getting everything straight. So all right, enough talking. Here I am on Etsy because I like to get some inspiration. Sometimes it's hard for me as a designer. I don't know if you all know about a designer block, but you may get like a designer block to where it's like your brain can't think of anything. So I come on Etsy because people already have designs out, and I just like to get inspired. I do plan on wearing this shirt to work tomorrow, so some of the things in which y'all see me looking at, I'm like, okay, I don't really know if I could, it's not work appropriate. So what I also like to do is, if I see a design that I like on Etsy, I do use ChatGPT to help me with my design. If you want to know how I utilize ChatGPT, I'm going to upload that portion of the video. You will have to purchase that particular portion. You can get that from my website. But yes, later on y'all see my design that I came up with, and pretty much I utilized Etsy to kind of give me an idea of what it is that I wanted. So I'm not going to sell the design that I use because I don't feel like it's really like AI not original anyways. If y'all help me out, y'all, in this portion of the video, you all just watch what it is that I'm doing, pay attention to some of the things in which I'm typing and to the keyboard as far as the elements. And yeah, if you again have any questions, make sure that you stop the video and you rewind. I'm also going to be using another thing that's called Photopea. You'll see it towards the end of the video, I think, or mid video. You'll see that I'm going to use this to help me cut out my cutouts for my shirt. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and I'm gonna come back. Okay y'all, so I'm back already. So I have added in my design that I got from ChatGPT, And here I just went ahead and removed the background. Now I did choose a pink background in the beginning, but I decided not to go with that because in my queen there's like some a cheetah print in there. You can rarely see it because it's so, like, I guess zoomed away, being that I'm recording on the screen, but there is like a cheetah print within it, and it's very cute. So I did add like this white background border to the design because I needed it to stand out, because I did plan on having pink and gold within my design. So I did duplicate the birthday queen because I again wanted to stand out. So I needed to add a background, not a background, I needed to add a shadow effect to it so it could kind of make it look like it's protruding from the shirt. So I'm just resizing the birthday queen and just realigning it and so forth. So now what I'm going to do here, again, just play around with the shadow effect so that it can obviously stand out. This is cute by itself without the white border, but I feel like the white and the black kind of cause the shirt to stand out. And then I'm also about to add in more effects to the shirt as well, so you'll see how the words stand out. I did add in some pink balloons, but I'm like, I'm not really feeling the pink balloons, so I am going to go ahead and add in some black ones after this. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all are still watching. It's going to be some good things pointed out in this video. I'm still playing around with different effects here. If you want and you already know how to design and you're like, girl, this is cute, I know it's gonna be cute, let me go ahead and see what it look like at the end, go ahead and feel free to fast forward. But if you need help with like just knowing how to place different effects or elements onto a shirt, this is a great video to watch. Okay, so now I'm about to start designing the back of the church. Oh, yeah, I'm talking about church. Lord, I should have went to church today. But no, seriously, y'all. Now I'm about to design the back of the shirt, and I used ChatGPT again to help me design this. As y'all can see, I did download this directly from ChatGPT. And I'm going to pretty much add in the same effects, but I did feel as though when I was adding the effect, when I was adding the drop shadow, I don't know why, because y'all, my brain, the way that it works, I use Photoshop and I use Canva, so it sucks that it sucks that some of the terms that is used on Photoshop is not used on Canva. But anyway, so the shadow or the backdrop or whatever you want to call it, I feel like when I did it the first time, that took longer than me just making it all black and then just position it a little bit downwards below the 31. I don't know, that's just how I feel like it worked better and easier that way. So here you're going to see me try to add Birthday Queen to the back, like up at the top, but I didn't really like it. However, when I did, before I printed out my actual shirt to make the actual shirt, I hope that made sense and y'all will see. But I did add Birthday Queen on there, but I had to use Photoshop. Photoshop allowed me to just be more free with my with my designing and stretching and stuff and so forth. So y'all will see towards the end how I ended up adding Birthday Girl to it. It's so cute. It came out so cute. Now here I like to use Photoshop as well, again, with my mock-up, because it allows me to get a preview of what my shirt will look like before I make it. So that's what I'm using, my mock-up, and then I'm coming back to Canva because I needed to adjust the white part on the back of the shirt a little bit, because I realized that I didn't really want all of that white at the bottom of the shirt, so I ended up bringing it down some. All right, so if you have made it this far, thank you. We are about to wrap this thing up. Next, we're about to use Photopea, because this is what we're going to use to do our cutouts. The cutout is, I'm trying to think of the most easiest way to put it. The cutout is what you use to, you're gonna print your cutout. The cutout will go onto your shirt. I hope that explains it. Watch this video and then watch the next video if you don't know what a cutout is. So I came back to Canva to download this guide. I needed the transparent background. I didn't feel like figuring out where it was in one of my folders. So since I already had it up, I'm just gonna download this one. Now, I don't know if you caught it, but when you come to Photopea, your template needs to be 44 by 36. So you would click on create new and then type in, make sure that you switch it from inches or switch it from pixels to inches, and it needs to be 44 by 36. Okay, so I did go ahead and add in my template, and I'm dragging that layer up and putting it on top of my background, and then I'm dragging in my two designs that I saved from Canva. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and stretch out my design from edge to edge. as y'all can see here, I don't really use photopea. I don't use photopea at all. So I'm trying to figure out like the best way how to do this. But what you'll do is you'll just need to drag it up to the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on you want to click on edit, and then you want to click on free transform. You want to click on transform and then scale, and then you want to stretch this out from edge to edge. After you stretch it out from edge to edge, then you want to bring that layer down below your guide. Okay, so now we are about to go ahead and do our cutout. So what you'll do here is click on that. It's called a poly. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all. I'm so sorry. As y'all can see, I have a hard time pronouncing words, but I call it a poly tool. So you just click on that, the P tool or the poly tool, and then what you want to do is you want to cut out around your you want to cut out around the size in which you are going to be using. So this is how I do it. I know it's sped up, but if you need to, please slow it down. But y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you do the same thing for the second design. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.